Let an operation star or asterisk be denoted as x asterisk y is equal to x squared plus y squared. And we're going to evaluate 1 asterisk bracket, 2 asterisk 5 bracket. Remember, when you see brackets, we're going to work those first. And then the question asks, is the operation asterisk associative? So we're going to underline the important information, which is this. It's the most important thing. And we're going to write it back. Oops, missed that. And we're going to work the brackets first. 2 star 5. So we're going to put 2 star 5. So straight away we know the value of x is going to be 2. So I have to look for x and replace it with 2. Notice that this x had on a square, so I'm going to put on the square. The value of y is going to be 5, so I need to find y and replace it with 5. Notice too that this y had on a square, so 5 should have on a square. And we're going to add. To make life easier, I could enter all of this into my calculator. I could see 2 and then press the square button, plus 5 and then press the square button. And that is equal to 29. So 2 star 5 will give us 29. But not just this part. This part works out to be 29. We need to work out 1 star 20. We're at 29 now. So we're going to say since 2 star 5 equal 29, we're just going to substitute that and use 29 instead of 2 star 5. So we're going to start back with the original binary operation. X star y is equal to x squared plus y squared. And look, the 29 came after the star, so we're going to put the 29 after the star. And the 1 came before the star, so we're going to put the 1 before the star. So straight away, we can identify that the value of x is going to be 1. So wherever we see x, we're going to put 1. X had on a square, so we're going to put on a square. And we can see the value of y is going to be 29. So I'm looking for y, and I'm going to replace it with 29. And look, the y had on a square, so we're going to put on a square as well. And look, there's a plus in between them. So I'm going to draw for the calculator, and I'm going to put it in. 1 square plus 29 square, and that gives us 842. So 1 star 29 is equal to 842. Therefore, 1 star 2, and remember these are in brackets, star 5 is equal to 842. So I could come up here and put the 842. Not just that part. Now it asks, is the operation star associative? That means I need to make a comparison. And if this was the grouping that we were working with, first we're going to change the grouping. So we're going to keep the order as 1 star 2 star 5. But instead of bracketing the 2 and the 5, we're going to bracket the 1 and the 2. So we're going to have to work this out now before we can make a comparison, before we can say whether it is associative or not. So we're going to always start off with the original binary operation given. So that's x star y is equal to x squared plus y squared. And we're doing BOMDAS, brackets. So we're going to work with the brackets first. So in this bracket we have 1 star 2. So we're going to put 1 star 2. So straight away, we know that the value of x is going to be 1. So wherever I see x, I'm going to put 1. Substitution in brackets, and x had on a square, so we're going to put 1 on a square. Look, the value of y is going to be 2. So I'm going to have to look for y and put 2. The y had on a square, so this 2 should have on a square. There was a positive there, so a positive should be right here. And then we can evaluate it using the calculator. 1 squared, 1 squared, plus 2 squared is equal to 5. So we can say 1 asterisk 2 is equal to 5. But that's just the first part of the bracket. So up here, so it's going to be 5. So we need to work out now 5 asterisk 5. And that's all because since 1 star 2 was equal to 5. So we're going to continue by starting off with the original binary operation. X star y is equal to x squared plus y squared. And look, 5 came first, so we're going to put the 5 before the star, and then there was a 5 after the star, so we're going to put the 5 after the star. So straight away we can see that x has the value of 5. So I'm looking for x, and wherever I see x, I'm going to put 5 in brackets. Notice that x has on that square, so I'm going to put on that square. Straight away we can also see that y is going to also be 5, because under y was 5. So I'm going to look for y, and I'm going to put 5 under it in brackets. So we're going to have 5 in brackets, and notice that y was squared, so we're going to put a square on that 5. Notice too that there was a plus in between them, so I'm going to put a plus in between them. So this is the point where I'm going to draw for my calculator, and I'm going to put in 5 squared plus 5 squared, and look, that's going to give us 50. So we're going to say 5 star 5 is equal to 50. Good. So therefore, 1 star 2 star 5 is equal to 50. Seeing that both of them, let's make a comparison now. Look at this and look at this. Notice that they're different. So because they're different, even though we group them differently, then the operation is not associative. So we're going to say, since 1 asterisk 2 asterisk 5 with these in bracket is not equal to 1 asterisk 2 asterisk 5 with these in bracket now, therefore the operation star is not associative.